What's going on, everybody? Rob here with a little video on today's episode of Will It Hold? This is the rain barrel that I fixed 3 days ago. It got that flexseal tape on the inside of it. On the back side of it, I got metal melted into the plastic. Plus, that's Gorilla Glue. It's not epoxy. I just needed to hold so I could put my crayfish in there for now, reseal that tank, reseal the 240 tank, jockey them around, and get everything set so you get these koi in this 240. I gotta build a whole platform, but I'm gonna fill this with water to see if I hear it crack but it doesn't leak because of the flex seal. I'm good. I did cover both holes. It had one when I garbage picked it. I had an extra one here. This is the overflow. This is cracked, but this is too small anyways. I'm gonna put like a 2-inch bulkhead in here to overflow down my pipe that goes out the front. You see our sidewalk is lower, so I prefer the rain, instead of gather here, to go out there. This is where I gotta move the hosta on bricks. This is gonna be flowing into here. I'm put my worm tea in here, and I'm gonna water my garden. I'm getting ready with the worm tea and the rainwater. Let's see if this holds. Notice that I'm doing this outside and not in the basement because the 55 gallons cracks are 70 gallons. This looks like bigger than a 55-gallon drum. At least we're still going to be outside, and I still got to pressure wash my sidewalk this year. So here we go. I'll get back with you in a little bit. Alright, we're about, I don't know, that's not even halfway, maybe not even a quarter of the way up. We got a little drip already, but it's dripping from the little seal that I put on there. So what I'll do is I'll put pipe tape around that. There is a washer in that. I don't know if I can tighten it up anymore. Okay, hey, it stopped. Oh, a little bit. I could deal with that. But I will put some pipe tape on it, and then I'll go ahead and that I could deal with. So far hasn't cracked, and we're a quarter of the way up now. So far everything is holding. This is the overflow line right there, but that's a full tank, sealed, repaired. That little bit is dripping from that. That wasn't part of it. I had that extra sitting in my little thing right here, so I put it on. But what I will do is I'll Teflon tape it before I squeeze that back on, before I put it in the basement. That right there is a lot of weight sitting on that crack that is on the bottom of that. So I would venture to say that yes, that did go ahead and seal that. This is HDPE2, whatever that means. I garbage picked this rain barrel because it was cracked on the bottom, and I went ahead and fixed it. So check my channel out, TREV2323, and it did repair this 55-gallon rain barrel. So I'm so happy because this is my whole garden right here now. Whole most of it, all right here. It's almost time because the sun, a little bit more, the sun is going to be right here. About another 2 weeks the sun will be right here, and then my garden could just flourish. My evening sun comes from between the houses there, but my morning sun is almost, see, that's my morning sun, and it's almost at the line right there. But you can see it's all the way on my solar panels. So I'm in love right now. This is completed. This is done. Talk to you later. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. There's a new camera update I'm trying to do a podcast live stream with my kids. Stay tuned. Talk to you later. Bye bye. Draining it out now. Then I'm gonna refill it back up in the basement with the crayfish water and the little PVC tubes. And this will be the crayfish home for about 2 weeks until I have time to reseal the 125. After that, I have to start building the stand for the 240, and with that I'm going to put all the wood on, kind of on fire, like burn it so it could waterproof it.